lovely people, how are you doing? I hope you're doing it from wherever you're watching me from. I have an unboxing to do together with you. This is a Bosch hand mixer. Bosch hand mixer, okay? See level. This is called Bosch Clever Mix. It's a hand mix. You can use it to mix dough for baking of cakes and whatever you want to bake, and then you can also use it to mix icing. Okay, you see here. Okay, this is also good. It's dishwasher safe. It has speed and turbo function. Okay, in case you're watching me for the first time, you've not seen it before, you're welcome to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing, family immigration information, and wellness tips. Let's go on to unbox this video. As you watch, if you love what I do, give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you've not done so, and turn the bell on so you'll be aware whenever I post interesting videos. Okay guys, we are unboxing it together. Let's see what we have right in here. Firstly, we have the mixer, the mixing of dough, okay, and I think we also have this for mixing of your icing, cake decorations and toppings. Okay, here we have, this is the main machine. Okay, this is called Bosch Clever Mix. It is 300 watts. In case you want to get it, it's very simple. It's not so heavy. Okay, it has the minimum and the maximum button on and off. Okay, now let's see how to fix this in, just in case you want to fix this in here, and then you are done, you connect it, and then you start mixing. Okay, it's not complicated to use, but this also you can see. Also, you can see here, connect, and then you begin to mix your icing, sugar, milk, and butter, and all the rest. Okay, this is what I have concerning this video. It's a simple unboxing of a 300 watt Bosch Clever Mix hand mixer, in case you want to get it for yourself. Okay, I got this for 20 euro. Okay, I think so. You can also get this in case you do not want to have the big mixer. You can have this for simple and small baking. Okay, don't forget that it came with a manual. Yeah, here is the manual to help with anything concerning this. All right, yeah, whatever you need to know concerning this. Okay, there's a manual to help with anything you need to know concerning this. I hope you love this video. At this point, if you do, don't forget to give me a like or a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe if you've not done so, and turn the bell on so you'll be aware whenever I post new videos. I love to unbox and show you how these things look like, how they work. Okay, what are the challenges before you buy, in case you want to get them, you know what you look out for. All right, okay, thank you. Until my next video, I see you. Bye.